Hello, and welcome to Capstone A Team 1 weekly presentation for DittoDisc. This week we'll be looking at our customer relationships. This week, 4 of our experts responded, and all offered insight through telephone calls, face-to-face interviews, and our online forum. This is of our 6 total gurus that we have available. In addition, we have 6 customers who responded out of our 12. This week, we're going to talk about how to get, keep, and grow new customers. In addition, we're going to talk about how things differ on the web channel than in other channels. We're going to talk about evangelists versus existing needs. We're also going to talk about our general marketing strategy in terms of customer retention and customer relationship and the sales funnel. And last, we'll talk about multi-sided markets. So this week, we're going to kick it off with what our gurus told us and what our customers told us. Our end users are primarily going to be the actual users of the computer. These are the customers we need to keep happiest once they get our product through immediate customer support with US-based telephone service. In addition, we're going to be talking to a lot of manufacturers about the product. We're going to be talking to them about installing it in their OEM product, and they're going to risk product reputation, because if this unit fails, the entire machine would fail. Last, military people have a very high dependency on their data and the reliability of their computer or the operational communication that they're responsible for. Having a Ditto disk inside of these machines could literally mean the difference between life and death, or safety and harm. In terms of how to get and keep our customers, we really need to get in front of the online review audiences. Amazon in particular was lit up by our online forum, and many people said that they would trust an Amazon review a lot more than they would ever trust an individual marketing campaign by our company. This really differs from how to market to other companies, particularly our OEMs. I don't think any of our OEMs are really paying attention to the online reviews as much as they are to testing the hardware and making sure that we can back our claims with great customer service and great product that will not fail. As we've noted in the past, the industry has flat out failed on providing reliable data to end users. This has really created a lot of frustration when people lose all their data and all their hard work. We need to reach out and make sure that people understand the big gap between the performance that's expected of their computers and what they've been delivered. So we need our evangelists out talking, and we need them to let people know through blogs and forums. Our funnel will follow just like many other funnels for a product-based business. We will build awareness through a really powerful website. We're going to work very hard on SEO, as this is the most inexpensive organic way to get your product known out there online. We'll also be working through social media. Another great opportunity would be to reach out to people who have recently lost their data and advertise on channels where people are looking for data restoration. Next, once they purchase the item, we really need to make sure it's a straightforward installation, or the product will fail. That has been mentioned by everybody who has looked at our product so far. If it's not easy to install, it's going to fall on its face. To create loyalty with our customers, we need to reach out to them often, and we'll do this through a monthly recurring revenue stream. We'll offer services to help keep their computers safe from crypto lockers, malware, and other garbage that they can get infections. If one side of the disk were to infect, the other one would be protected. But we would need to update the protection between the 2 disks often, and that would be a monthly recurring revenue stream. Also, we could offer online backup service in addition to the online real-time redundancy that the Ditto disk provides. Our market type still remains existing. We're going after people who are out there, they're at risk, and they know about the problems. We'd like to introduce a product that can solve them. So where we stand, our customer segment appears solid. There's definitely a need for the product, and our gurus and our consumers have demonstrated that we're correct in assuming this. The value proposition still needs a little bit of tweaking. We do need to address the OEM market more in the proposition, but from a customer standpoint, I think it's getting close. The channels, again, we're looking at selling direct-to-consumer channels such as Best Buy, and then also to OEM manufacturers to install in the drive. I believe this also is a viable path to success.